Tiantai Company, a well-recognized supplier of beer and beverage equipment industry based in Jinan City of China, provides complete lines and the turnkey service for breweries and beverage projects worldwide. To provide the turnkey beer brewing systems, our products mainly include the malt milling line, brewhouse, beer fermenter, bright beer tank, glycol chilling units, control system, beer filling lines, etc. Tiantai Company supplies all-round service for your brewery, including drawing and layout design, customized equipment design, transportation, installation, and training. Our advanced production processing facility and testing equipment covers the automatic decoiler, laser cutting machine, automatic welding machine, polishing machine, CNC tube bending machine, pressure detection bench, RA precision detector, etc. These facilities ensure the high quality and stability of our brewery equipment. Compliant to ISO 9001 management standard, Tiantai Company passes CE certifications for machinery, low voltage and pressure equipment, EAC certifications, and has obtained more than 20 patent certifications. With our continuous efforts and improvements, so far we have exported our brewery equipment to more than 1,500 breweries from over 80 countries worldwide, including USA, Canada, South Korea, Japan, Russia, Australia, New Zealand, England, Belgium, Finland, the Netherlands, France, Spain, Italy, Germany, Sweden, South Africa, Singapore, Mexico, Argentina, etc. Tiantai Company adheres to the principle of providing quality beer brewing equipment at an affordable price and serving more brewmasters to brew their craft beer to the perfect. Tiantai, your honest brewery equipment builder.